These are sewing machine bobbins, and there seems to be a little bit of confusion as to what these are and how they work. I'm gonna clear it up for you. I don't like long intros. Let's do this. First off, what is a bobbin? Well, all it is the bottom portion of your stitch when you're tailoring your own clothes. That's it. Don't worry, it's not special or magical or anything. The top portion of your thread comes from your needle, and the bottom portion of your thread comes from your bobbin. My machine is a drop-in bobbin like this, and it goes right in there, right there.
I think you should subscribe.
Sometimes there's side-loading bobbins, and if that's you, I'm sorry, because they're so effing annoying. I'm just kidding, they're not that bad. In order to make a bobbin, grab an empty one and make sure that it's compatible with your machine. They generally are, but not always. So double check. See this knob on my sewing machine? It's all the way to the left. That's good. Take the thread from your spool and kind of thread it on right through there. Put your bobbin on that knob and then push the knob to the right. Smash on the gas pedal and wind that bad boy on up. Now, you don't have to hold on to the thread when you do this. There's little notches on your machine in order to avoid that, but this is just kind of the way that I like to do it, and it's the way that I've always done it. And just watch as it fills and winds and twists and turns and becomes full of thread. I made this while we were making dinner and she didn't know I was recording her. Nobody tell her. Take your bobbin off of the knob, push the knob back to the left, and then just cut the extra thread by about 1/2 inch. When you drop your bobbin in, make sure that the thread is overhand and not underhand, or that it's making a P instead of a 6. You know, kind of like toilet paper. Put it in there ever so carefully and get it around that little notch, the little notch right there, and then pull the thread towards the back of your sewing machine. Oh, and don't forget to put the cover back on. Do your results look like mine? Yeah? Good. That's the bottom stitch and that's the top stitch. Your bobbin's gonna last a while. Just make sure to check it every once in a while. Let's go tailor a dress shirt. See you over there, Rusty. Out. See ya.